So I guess the lights get changed from in here. This is so stupid. This. So for you to change the lights, you have to take this whole panel off. Wow. That is some silly, silly nonsense. Come listen to my podcast. Come listen to my podcast. Come listen to my podcast. Yeah. That's crazy. That bumper's coming off. It's not an 8-track, it's an H-track. So, I don't think you need to pull these off, but I'm going to anyway, because I think it's going to be easier to get my hands to pull it off. So, I'm going to pull them out of the way. We have screw, and pushy, and probably another screw right there. There's another screw right up in there. So let's get them out. They're on both sides. Let's see what's on the bottom. Past the rotten apple. Ruins a bunch. That one. A couple over there. Another one over here. And don't tell me this is all that's holding up this bumper. That's going to be great, dude. Let's go see. That looks like it's going to be fun. And easy. So with this tool, which is a 90-degree, I got these screws. What you do is it turns into a 90. So I used that to get those two screws out. These guys. One there and one there. And this is going to be a push pin. But while I have the bits out, I took these two out. This one and this one. I'm going to show you. It's quite simple. I just made a video of how to do it. Just push out towards you. It helps pop it out of the socket. You hear it? So I'm doing this only because I want to get up over this. And actually, you know what? Funny enough, you have to take them out because they overlap. The bumper overlaps, or the lights overlap the bumper. So there you go. You gotta pop this out. Same thing over here, into the corner. And pop this out. All right. So we're gonna unplug them and put them aside. And let's get the push pins out. That's going to be this one right here. And we're going to have another screw up in this corner. Alright, so 2, 6, 4, and 6. All pushies, like I showed you before. Let's see if that's all we need to pull this guy off. And let's unplug these lights so they don't go crashing in our hands. I mean, they're only just, I guess, puddle lights? I don't know what these are. So the screws up out of our way. Let's see if this is all we need. Ooh. To get this off. Probably easier with both hands. I'm telling you, gotta get this thing. So it was caught right here in the corner. Right there in the corner it was caught. So that helped pop and relieve the pressure. And let's go over here and see if it's going to do the same thing. So with both hands, we're going to need, yeah, you see, caught in there corner too. That corner right there. So let's go get the little hook tool. Same thing. Let's get it ready for departure of its body. All right. So apparently you have to take the reinforcement with this one. I found 2 screws, one up here, one over there. I took them out, but all the harnesses are all put together. So I'm just gonna reluctantly have to take the 12 mils out and pull the reinforcement with it. So let's do that and I'll show you the end result. So apparently, yes, you have to take them out. But what's nice is, as long as you have it clipped in place, now you have to push as it says and move this and unplug it. So these 2 did not have to be unplugged. The 2 screws actually hold the reinforcement to the bumper, so you don't have to take that out either. I just did it to see if it would actually release, but it didn't. And this one looks like it didn't have to come out either, just the outer one. you got a screw right there in the corner next to the tab. Screw right next to here. Another one here. Another one here. I think it was 6 in total. One right there. And they all go in there corresponding. So yeah, so 6 I think. So here, let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. And you still got to push these tabs in while you get these out. So now the only harder ones are these, because these tabs, this one goes inward. Let me pop this back in. Let's get the part number. Is that it? I don't even know. It looks to be it. In Korea. Yeah, I think this is it. 92405 B010. So let's put this back. And this is what I mean. So these tabs snap into place. You see? Snap into the bumper. You see? You see? These, of course, are inward. So, of course, gotta get this guy. Push this in as it goes out. Nice, right? So that's where the screws are. I'll show you on this side. This one, you see? You can sort of tell where it's going to be taken out. One, I think, down here, or no? One there. One there. Right, like I said, the 6 in total. I think this one got to come out too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's got to be 6. Let's go back over here. Yeah, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Maybe I took it. Oh no, here it is. There it is. It's closer to the light. So there you have it. What they are, man, I don't know. That's the part number. So let's put this guy back before we have any more issues. So it's kind of hard when you're by yourself, but you gotta make sure these plastic tabs go up over. Let's see. I'll show you if I can. Let's see if I can show you. These right there, they have to go in between the two. Put this back. Make sure you plug this guy back in. That'd be a big problem, huh? And this big shaft, you gotta make sure it goes in the hole. So let's get the 12 mils, put them back in here, and that's pretty much as hard as it really is. These I like because you can actually just do them by hand. I just took the socket off. I just took the socket off and did it by hand. That's all that was to do. So let me show you the push pins that didn't have to come out. I guess it's this one. Yeah, this one. This one didn't have to come out, the one closer to you. So there you have it. Put them all back, line everything back up. I'm gonna say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.